Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error 0X80280013 Windows 11 or Windows 10 pin. To start, click on the Start menu and click the Shutdown button. Then using the Shift key, click Restart. This will allow the system to boot into advanced mode. Now, when you access this mode, click on Troubleshoot, then in Advanced Options, and finally select the Startup Settings option. In this window, click on Restart. When the system is rebooted, press the F4 or F5 key to start safe mode. Wait for the system to reboot into this safe mode. After that, log into your profile in safe mode. After this, open File Explorer. There you will go to Drive C and then you will access the Windows folder. After that, open each of the folders you see on the screen. In this window, click on the View menu, then from Show or Hide, check the Hidden Elements box if you don't see all folders. By doing this, access the App Data folder and then from the local folder access Microsoft. When you are here, right-click on the NGC folder and click Delete. You will see that it is not possible to delete it due to permission settings. To correct this problem, right-click on the folder and select Properties. You are going to go to the Security tab and click on the Advanced button. Now at the top, in the Owner section, you will click Change. In this pop-up window, enter the name Everyone, click on Check Names, and click on OK. After this, check the box, Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. After this, click on Apply and you must confirm the changes by clicking on Yes. Click OK and you can close the windows. When you have done this, right-click on the NGC folder, select Delete, and you will see that this time it is possible to delete it. Finally, restart the system to access the normal session, and with this you will have corrected the pin problem. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.